Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE headphones and today I'm going to tell you always to charge your headphones. So the first way, and for me the best way, is using a power adapter, power brick, or just a charger as someone calls it, with the USB Type-C cable. You just have to plug this USB Type-C cable into our charging port here. Now our headphones are charging. And apart from that, we can charge our headphones using our phone. And as you can see, to do so we have to prepare first a USB Type-C to C cable and plug the first part of the cable into our headphones and the second part into our phone. And now our headphones are charging. Goodbye!